Okay, we're going to try fermented food. This has been fermented for 3 days with a 1-inch level of water above the feed. This is 19%. I'm going to see if the girls are ready for it. They are about to load. However, they're out of food. Let's see how this goes. I strained it with a regular mesh strainer. Well, Checkered likes it. Here comes Mary Kate. Oh, there's White Seabright. Cadbury might not want some. Let's see. Here comes Martin. He is supposed to be Russian Olaf. Not quite sure. Checkered. Oh, that's Americana. There's Golden Lace Seabright. That's Mary Poppins with the black Polish. Faverol and another Mary. We just kind of call the Polish Marys. Salmon Faverol. Gorgeous. She is my little lady. Cornish Wyandotte. Another little lady. Ready to load. Millie Fleur d'Uncle. His name is Steph, like Steph Curry. Oh, there's our little 6-day-old baby duckling that got abandoned. He's happy to be in here. He stays separate normally. Yeah, it's okay. They might pick on him, so we need to watch him. There's my Checkered. He's my boy. Checkered, no. No. Martin and Peep. Baby ducky again. Checkered. 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 Oh, crybaby. My little Angel, she's the white silky. Goldilocks, my little bitty Rhode Island Red. And that's Smoke. Smoke like Tony Stewart Smoke. Tiny little silky. They're about 8 weeks old and they're still very tiny. Not quite sure what's going on with them. Girls and boys, what you think about the fermented food, huh? Somebody likes it. You're gonna love it. Yeah, you're gonna love it.